National AIDS Council. No, something that I in there, Uganda. You know about it? That's how we started. If I were in the National AIDS Council. Yes, I made a delegation one year for Uganda. They got to meet the Minister of Health, Chayangan delegation. They got fund one UNICEF. Says ZANU of that time.
Yes.
Also a council in Uganda, but I recommend. That's how